Starting around 02 September 2023, a share endlessness sort of is exchanging at $4.48 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.31% in by and large most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. Axie, for the most part, has a truly complete market cap of $631,330,773, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $23,432,029 in an unobtrusive manner. This for the most part makes a share boundlessness, Axie, in every practical sense, positioning at 53 in the cryptographic money market, which explicitly is genuinely critical. On the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what truly is the share boundlessness cost expectation end of 2023, what will a share limitlessness sort of be really worth in 2023? Which generally is very critical. Is a share limitlessness an especially wise speculation or kind of worth purchasing in 2023? In an all things considered enormous way. Will Axie's cost really outperform its record-breaking kind of high in an unpretentious manner? These generally are our share limitlessness cost expectations for Axie's future in an unpretentious manner. A share boundlessness, Axie's value expectation 2023. As per the share vastness gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Axie's cost is supposed to in a real sense cross a for the most part normal value level of $7.10. The normal by and large least value worth of a share limitlessness toward the finish of the by and large current year ought to essentially be $6.80 in a significant manner. Besides, Axie can fundamentally arrive at a by and large most extreme value level of $7.73, or so they especially thought. Axie's value figure August 2023. With respect to August 2023, a share boundlessness sort of is supposed to arrive at a for the most part least value worth of $5.77 in an unpretentious manner. The Axie cost could arrive at a sort of most extreme cost of $6.49, with the in every practical sense normal cost around $6.31 in an unobtrusive way. A share limitlessness value expectation September 2023. The cost of a share boundlessness is generally anticipated to fundamentally reach it and in every way that really matters, least worth of $6.20 in September 2023, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. The Axie cost could by and large arrive at an especially most extreme worth of $6.81, with the typical exchanging worth of $6.44 all through 2023, exhibiting how besides Axie can in every way that really matters arrive at a greatest value level of $7.73, which certainly is genuinely critical. A share vastness, Axie's value expectation October 2023. With respect to October 2023, a share limitlessness value sort of is conjecture to explicitly arrive at and in a real sense, the most reduced cost of $6.33, exhibiting how on the off chance that you fundamentally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what essentially is the share boundlessness cost forecast finish of 2023. What will a share endlessness certainly be somewhat worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? The Axie cost could in a real sense arrive at a really greatest cost of $7.06, with the exceptionally normal expected cost around $6.57, which certainly is genuinely critical. Axie's value figure November 2023. The share limitlessness gauge for November 2023 expects that the Axie may truly arrive at a kind of most extreme worth of $7.39, with a truly least cost of around $6.59, showing that Axie truly has an especially complete market cap of $631,330,773, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $23,432,029. Which sort of is very huge. Discussing the sort of typical value Axie can in a real sense stretch around $6.83 for November, truly further appearance, how discussing the especially normal value Axie can truly stretch around $6.83 for November, which basically is very critical. A share limitlessness, Axie, value estimate December 2023, for December 2023. The cost of a share boundlessness for the most part is generally anticipated to by and large arrive at a fundamentally normal cost of $7.10, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of $7.73 and a truly least of $6.80. which essentially is very huge. Axie limitlessness, especially past value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours. The crypto basically has been generally diminished by 2.68% in its ongoing worth, exhibiting that generally is Axie vastness. A wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2023. Or so they in a real sense thought. Assuming we really analyze the especially current market cap of the Axies with yesterday's, you can in every practical sense see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Axie vastness explicitly is confronting an extremely difficult time jumping aboard with essentially other crypto coins, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Axie certainly is down to nearly 7.43% over the most recent 7 days, by and large further appearance. How the Axie's cost could generally arrive at a truly greatest cost of $7.06, with the exceptionally normal expected cost around $6.57 in a genuinely significant manner. The coin generally is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for commonly passed in every practical sense, barely any days. The coin could generally have all things considered, solid essentials at the same time. We don't fundamentally imagine that it would a beneficial resource in kind of present moment, or so they especially thought. Inside the sort of most recent 1 month, the cost of Axies truly diminished by 52.305%, disposing of an incredible truly normal amount of $4.92 from its truly current worth, or so they in every way that really matters thought. This unexpected down in every practical sense implies that the coin by and large is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can for the most part be a decent certainly purchase and open door for sort of fast venture, which really is very critical. The 90 days cost change basically is near 61.79%, and the value sort of flowed from a very least in every practical sense, normal cost of $10.80 to extremely greatest truly normal cost of $12.31 in the in every way that really matters recent days, which for the most part is very critical. Axie vastness certainly is somewhere near 32.59%. With the truly most extreme truly normal cost of the coin truly was around $6.96, and the base truly normal cost of most certainly was around $6.76 in certainly beyond 4 months in a significant way. Axie limitlessness value gauge 2023 facts. What will truly be Axie endlessness truly worth in 2023? Or so they basically thought. The Axie's cost really is estimated to especially arrive at a sort of most extreme degree of $7.73, with pretty least cost of $6.80, toward the finish of 2023, which truly shows that Axie's value gauge November 2023, the Axie endlessness conjecture for November 2023, expects that the Axie's may in every practical sense arrive at a very greatest worth of $7.39.